how to turn $100 into $1,300 in one day. Real trading without water. Have you ever wondered how professional traders make money in just minutes? Today I'll show you a strategy that can disperse the 13x deposit in just one trading day. What awaits you in this video? A simple but powerful scalping strategy is perfect for beginners. The best indicator for accurate inputs and outputs, how to control risks and constantly make a profit. Are you ready to change your trading? Then turn on and watch carefully. Do you want even more proven strategies and daily signals? I share my personal deal analysis, analytics and up-to-date deal entries in my Telegram channel. The link is in the description. Fly in and start earning today. Scalping is a technique for making quick money in the market based on catching short price movements. Traders use minimal time frames such as 1 or 5 minutes, making dozens of trades during the day. This approach requires high concentration and a clear strategy, but when applied correctly, it can produce impressive results. Now, let's switch to the pocket option. I'll show you the correct scalping setup. Here we are on the platform. Let's start setting up right way. First, you need to put candles in the chart types. Then, time frames, 5 minutes. It's very important to set exactly 5 minutes. Now we turn to the indicators themselves. It is necessary to turn on the RSI. Today, it is the most important scalping tool. You can see the settings on the screen. I will be trading on New Zealand dollar to United States dollar. Its profit margin is 92%, and we bet the transaction amount is $100. The transaction time is 1 minute. And now, let's start our trading session. We look at the chart and analyze. The chart below shows that RSI has dropped below 30, which is an oversold zone. This signals that sellers are weakening and an upward price reversal is possible. That's why I'm opening the first deal for a $100 raise. Great, a good start. The deal went into the red. The balance is $192. Moving on. The second trade is in line. I look at the chart and see that the RSI indicator is set for 16 periods and has recently moved out of the oversold zone. This tells me about a possible local downward reversal. That's why I'm opening a downgrade deal at $192. Great, the second transaction is also being completed successfully today. My balance is growing to $368 before your eyes. Let's move on. First tip, manage your risks. Don't put all your capital on the line. Concentration is important in scalping, so start with the small amounts. Second tip, choose active markets. Scalping is effective when there is a high volatility. Avoid trading in the flat. Third tip, keep your emotions under control. Do not try to recoup after a failed trade. If the market is against you, take a break. And if you want more useful analysis, accurate signals and strategies, check out my Telegram channel. The link is in the description. Moving on to the third trade, I see on the chart that there will be a downward reversal after the corrective growth. Also, the local resistance of 0.52271 will play a role. And of course, the RSI is approaching the overbought zone. Therefore, I'm opening a deal for a decrease of $368. Nice, scalping is working and my balance is growing to $707. That's already a good result, but I'm not going to stop there. Let's move on. And now, the final deal for today. On the chart, I see that the price is testing 0.52278 level after rising, and the RSI is approaching the overbought zone, which may indicate a possible downward pullback. So I'm opening a $707 reduction deal. Super! Friends, did you like the scalping strategy? Personally, yes, because it brings a quick and guaranteed profit. The initial balance was $100 and the final balance was $1,357. Draw your own conclusions. Scalping is a great way to make money even if you have a little capital. This 5-minute strategy can help you disperse $100 to substantial amounts if you follow discipline and clear rules. Congratulations! If you watched the video to the end, this is already a big step towards your success. If you want more analysis, signals and useful tips, fly into my Telegram channel. The link is already waiting for you in the description. Successful trading!